Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify renovation estimates using Houzz Pro detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching your web browser. Navigate to the Houzz Pro website. Log in to your Houzz Pro account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Projects tab on the dashboard. Click on the Projects tab to view your ongoing projects. Select the specific project for which you want to verify the renovation estimate. In the project overview, look for the Estimates section. Click on the Estimates section to view the detailed estimates submitted by the contractor. Review the estimate breakdown carefully. Pay attention to the individual line items listed in the estimate. Check if the pricing aligns with your pre-established budget. Cross-reference materials and labor costs with current market rates. If needed, use Houzz Pro's built-in cost estimator tool for additional insights. Confirm any specific details or variations in the estimate. If you find discrepancies, note them for further discussion. Next, reach out to the contractor for clarification on any unclear items. Request a meeting or phone call to discuss your concerns in detail. Prepare your questions in advance to ensure a smooth conversation. After the discussion, update your project notes with any new information. If the estimate meets your expectations, proceed to approve it. If not, consider obtaining a second estimate from a different contractor using Houzz Pro. Once you feel confident in the selected estimate, finalize your approval in the system. Monitor the project's progress against the approved budget as work commences. Keep the lines of communication open with your contractor throughout the renovation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.